All right, well, we have our first Cars and Coffee of the year, first big car event locally. I really enjoy going to those. And unfortunately, the Mustang was in storage and in the garage, and it was quite dirty, pollen season. So let's get the old baby purdied up. All right, well, that were a pretty quick and dirty wash on this car. Already seeing places I forgot to dry. Right there, right there. So I might need to go over this once more once I turn the camera off. But yeah, I didn't have much time. It's getting ready to storm here in the Indiana area. So this will have to do. I might squirt some rubber stuff on the tires. I don't use that wet stuff, the wet tire, hot tire stuff. Everything seems to stick to it, so it gets dirty again immediately. And I just think the look is kind of silly. So I just put like regular, rubber protectant on my tires, and that's it. It's done me pretty well. If you can believe it, those tires are over 20 years old. And yeah, I know they say don't run tires that long. I guess I'll need to adjust that at some point, but I don't do a lot of peel outs or stuff like that, so I still got a lot of tread left on them. But just for age, I may have to pop in my old tire shop, ask Brett, the manager, what he thinks of them, and maybe it's time to let them go. But we'll see you at Cars and Coffee. All right, well, we're at the Indianapolis Cars and Coffee. It is before the start time, and as you can see, it is already filling up. Very popular event. I love these. It's exactly what car shows should be about. Cars and coffee. No prizes, no raffles, no awards, no music. Well, they do music, but great event. I always try and come to these. A lot of terrific cars, and I like the mix. You've got modern cars. You see, we got a couple Mustangs and some Ford GTs over here lined up, and people will do that. I can see an Edsel over there, so I'm going to take a look around I'll have you come with me a little bit. But yeah, got the girl shined up looking pretty good. Again, for a quick and dirty wash, that was okay. But yeah, a lot of cool cars. All original Survivor.
So when they found it, it was it was so weird. It was covered in sawdust.
Yeah.
There's no sawdust in the barn. And they found out the old man, when he parked in the barn, he's like, well, it's getting bird shit all over it. So he went down to the sawmill, and every 2 months he'd come and he'd pour sawdust all over it.
Just to keep it. Oh, interesting. Well, it did its job. Winter blue. Don't see a lot of them.